Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the 176 assistant professor vacancies notification from one of the public state university, guys. So I think it will be the wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the assistant professor job vacancies in the government university. And here, coming to the eligibility, for few disciplines only PG is enough. For few disciplines, PG plus UG Senate is required. Okay. Anyhow, here the assistant professor as well as the associate and professor vacancies are also there. So for these three different types of categories means if you are having PhD with some experience, you can apply for the professor. If you are having the PhD for associate professor, and if you are having only PG, you can apply for the assistant professor for a few disciplines, and PG plus UG Senate for a few more disciplines under the assistant professors. And here the salary is also mentioned here. You may check down on the screen. So please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this recruitment notification from the public state university. Before going into the main content of this video, a small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam. As you already know that on 10th August 2021, the National Testing Agency released the dates for the UG Senate December 2020 as well as the June 2021 merged cycle. So the dates are 6th October to 11th October 2021. Academy paid courses are there. By keeping in mind the UG Senate December 2020 and the June 2021 cycles. So from August 18th onwards, the MCQ course on paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And from September 2nd onwards, the revision course for paper 1 and paper 2 electronic science is going to start. And the details regarding the links I kept in the description box of this video. To get the complete details I kept at the end of this video. Into the present content of the video. So the university name is Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University from Kanpur. So it is also called as a Kanpur University. And from this one here the recruitment notice is announced, guys. So for faculty positions and departments under the self-finance scheme, and this notification came on 7th August 2021, and it invites online applications from eligible Indian nationals for appointment on the following faculty positions in the departments under the self-finance scheme. So coming to the associate professor, total 3 vacancies are there: pharmaceutical sciences, chemistry, fine arts and painting. And each and every department only one vacancy is there. And coming to the assistant professor, here 169 vacancies are there. So you may check down in which department the vacancies are there and how many vacants are there and what are the specializations required. So all these things are mentioned here in this table clearly. So please note down, guys. So the departments English and Modern European and other foreign languages, 4 vacancies. Electronics and Communication Engineering, 4 vacancies. Economics 5, Mathematics 10. Biosciences and Biotechnology 4, and Deen Dayal Shodh Kendra 2, Library and Information Sciences 2, Fashion Technology and Interior Design 8, and Pharmaceutical Sciences 9, Physics 7, Psychology 2, Mechanical Engineering 8, and Chemistry 6, Chemical Engineering 2, Fine Arts and Painting 15, and Business Administration 6, and Business Administration 3, for Finance, Business, Economics and IT, and Physical Education 11, and Education B.Ed course 9. So in that education, biology, English, Hindi, and the foundations of education as well as the mathematics. Okay, and the computer applications 9 for MC and BCA courses, and computer science and engineering 16 vacancies, and music 4, material and metallurgical engineering 1, health sciences 11, hotel and tourism management 6. And coming to the constituent college, that is government degree college, here the 7 assistant professor vacancies are there under the departments English, Economics, History, Sociology, Hindi and Commerce. Okay, so total these are the different departments and the corresponding vacancies and the corresponding specializations, guys. And the grade and pay for direct selection under the SFS shall be assistant professor 30,000 to 50,000. So the salary varies based upon your experience and all these things. And coming to the associate professor 50 to 70,000 and professor 70 to 1 lakh. The recruitment of teachers in SFS shall be under the contract for 3 to 5 years of contract, and the terms and conditions of the contract shall be applicable. Okay, and so for the purpose of menu, essential qualifications for the post shall be as laid in the UGC regulations 2018 and ACT regulations 2019 for engineering and pharmaceutical science disciplines. So as per the UGC regulations 2018 for assistant professor, PG plus UG Senate is required, and coming to the ACT regulations 2019, only PG is enough for the engineering disciplines. Okay, and the online application process shall start on 9th August, and the last date for filling the online application form is 23rd August 2021. Okay, and anyhow today is 14th August, right? So till the time is there, so hurry up guys. Candidates are required to submit the hard copy of the duly filled application form along with supporting documents by registered or speed post to the registered Chhatrapati Shahuji Maharaj University, Kalyanpur, Kanpur, latest by 31st August 2021. So the online application last date is 23rd August. The sending of hard copy last date is 31st August. And the envelope on its top shall mention the advertisement number, post applied, and the department name. You have to mention all these things. And the application fee is 2000 rupees and 1500 rupees for the SC/ST candidates only, which will be paid online along with the online application. Okay, and the reservation for the post will be as per the UP state government norms, and the SC/ST OBC EWS unreserved stands for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, other backward classes, economic weaker section, and unreserved category respectively. And SC/ST OBC non-criminal layer must definitely enclose with the application a hard copy of the caste certificate or income certificate, all these things. Okay, and you may check down guys. So no TADA will not be provided for attending the interview. Okay, and these are all the details. So here the coming to the important dates. The date of online application is 9th and closing 23rd, and hard copy receiving 31st, and the written test tentatively 6 to 11 okay of 9 2021, and the publication of result 15, and the last date for invitation of objections 22, and the publication of final scrutiny result 27, and the interview schedule 4 to 9th October 2021. Okay, so the interview schedule may be a little bit clashing with the UG Senate examination dates, right? Okay, so finally these are the details guys, and I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so please check out. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the faculty job notifications in the government universities. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more videos like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. If you are interested, you may listen. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of this different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down.